Well guys, does this look a little familiar? Keeper's nice enough to give me a couple rims, but we're on the road now, so sorry we didn't get to see Keith, but on to the next venture. We came back from our second leg of the Lake Havasu run. So look what I got here. We make our own luggage with some tape and some towels. Beautiful, artistic, designed luggage in a nice blue. We may start selling these. I'm just kidding. Bam! 2 15-inch slotted bus rims that I've been looking for. So these are the last 2. I finally got them, so we're good. Now it's time to clean these up, and we're gonna go ahead and throw tires on them. All right, the rims are coming along nicely. I was able to sand them down as much as I could. This one actually came out real nice and even had the clips in it. This one, on the other hand, had a lot of paint on it, a lot of latex paint, I guess. And so I try to get as much off as I can. It didn't come out great, but anyway, I got it going. They're gonna be good. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the clips on after these dry, and we'll go from there. But I have 1 tire. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on. I gotta order a 5th tire because they didn't have any more in stock. They can only sell 4 at a time. But I'm gonna go look for an individual somewhere else, and I'll have all 5 tires. So coming along nicely. We're gonna be rolling soon.